For the average American, when you wake up and go about your day, the last thing you're expecting is to be injured. However, injuries can happen anywhere, whether on an oil rig, in an industrial complex, or even in a retail center. Injuries can happen anytime.
And the real impact of the accident comes after the injury. You're not only suffering from the physical effects of the injury, but now you're struggling to work and earn the money that you need to pay your bills and take care of your family. And unfortunately, the responsible party on the other side, whether it's a large corporation or an insurance company, almost never steps up to offer fair compensation for the accident. Instead, you have to make them do it by filing a lawsuit and taking the decision out of their hands and giving it to a jury. And that's what we do.
Hi, my name is Allen Nunnally.
And my name is Matt Allen.
We are Houston trial attorneys, and we specialize in personal injury matters and helping people like you recover the proper compensation for injuries they suffered at no fault of their own.
When you're injured through no fault of your own, you have rights and you're entitled to compensation. And if you don't have a lawyer, you're not going to get justice, you're not going to get full and proper compensation because the other side's going to take advantage of you. As Marine combat veterans, it's in our nature to fight and to stand up to bullies. And the other side is going to do everything they can to limit their exposure and pay as little as possible.
And we all know that bullies fear when someone stands up to them. Big corporations are the same way. When we take your case and work it fully up for trial, big corporations become afraid of what can happen to them with a jury. We take this fear and we leverage that against them and use it to maximize the biggest possible recovery for you, our client. Our firm's track record shows that the experience Matt and I have formally defending these companies and these insurance carriers gives us an advantage in negotiating and fighting them. That allows us to get you the maximum value for your case. Prior to forming this firm, Matt and I used to defend these cases for these very corporations and carriers that may have injured you. We know how they value the cases and how they defend the cases. And through that knowledge, we can get you the best result possible for your injury. If you suffer an injury through no fault of your own, you need an attorney. Reach out to our firm. We will meet with you for free, evaluate your case, and let you know what your options are.
We work on a contingency fee, which means we only get paid if we obtain a recovery for you.
Don't try to fight your case on your own. Our firm, if we represent you, will be no better friend to you and your family and no worse enemy for those that oppose you.